Have you ever received a beautiful bouquet of flowers and then feel like it looks awkward or out of place in your home? It's most likely because you don't have the right vases to arrange them nicely in your home. Flowers are nature's most beautiful creations. In your home, they can bring energy, life, texture, seasonal color, boost your mood, and reduce stress. At Liquid Interiors, we understand the importance of flowers for your well-being and love adding the final touches to your home renovations with essential decor pieces, which include vases for flowers in your home. When you have the right vases, your flowers can serve its ultimate purpose of bringing joy to any room of the home. As a general rule of thumb, when I select vases for adding the finishing touches to the home, I always consider the style of the home. So for an earthy, natural home, I'd go for some clay textures. For a modern home, touches of metal, and more traditional shapes for classic homes. A beautiful vase can look just as nice on display on its own on a shelf, without even any flowers around. This way you don't have to reserve extra storage for your vases. Today I've teamed up with botanist lover and CFD Florist Wing Yeung, founder of BeeFlo Botanic, to give you 5 tips on how to make flowers look their best in the 5 key areas of your home.
We are very happy to have these collaborations with Rowena and your team. So it's the spring season, so we choose a color palette of warm color tone, salmon orange, salmon pink, and a bit of yellow mimosas to memorize this season, this moment. And we hope you enjoy this video series so that you have better energies to start on 2023.
Let's start with the foyer. Here's where you definitely want a sense of wow. Select a large vase for a tall and grand arrangement. This can be done with both flowers or even branches of greens. To hold a tall and grand arrangement, select a vase that's either tall or round, but the key is to have a large circumference at the top. You want to make sure that you have enough breathing room for the stems and branches, and a larger vase would hold more water, which can anchor the weight for such a tall arrangement. If your cut flowers have oxygen and room to grow, they will continue to bloom. As a general rule of thumb, a taller arrangement can have a proportion of about 1 to 1.5 from the vase to the flowers. Your bathroom, especially the powder room, can look 10 times more special with just a few seasonal flowers or cut greens. If the bathroom does not have a lot of daylight, it's the perfect way to bring some natural beauty into the space. A vase with a smaller mouth can be perfect for this type of arrangement. Make sure the vase isn't hidden by the overmount sink and that the flowers don't get into the way of the mirror.
A thin and tall shape will take less counter space. Pair your vase with matching reusable hand washing dispenser, scented candle, and hand towel for a high-end luxury experience right in your home.
So the next time you buy yourself or receive a beautiful bouquet of flowers, you're now prepared to be pairing them with the right kind of vase and arrangement for the key areas of your home. You know, as a creative business owner myself, arranging flowers it's my me time. I get to create, I get to connect to my creativity in a different way. So I invite you to have fun with this. Connect to nature, your creativity, and let your flowers elevate your space and the moods of the people around you. For more information on the liquid interiors home renovations that you've seen throughout this video, or how to get flower subscriptions from BeeFlo Botanic for your home in Hong Kong, click on the show notes below.